Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on or turn off the developer options menu on Samsung Galaxy phone. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to select the settings gear button on your mobile phone and then tap. So here now at mobile settings, and then you need to scroll down. And then you need to tap this about phone. And then here now at about phone, and then you need to scroll down again. And you need to select this software informations and then click. So here at software informations, and then you need to select this build number. Alright, so all you have to do is to tap 7 times and enter also your phone security until the pop-up notifications developer options turn on. Okay, so we need to tap 7 times. And then we need to enter the phone security, so confirm pattern. And you can see now developer mode has been turned off. If you see these notifications, and then we need to go back and then go back. And then we need to scroll up and down. And you can see now that developer options is already turned on. Alright, and then click. Okay, so on how to turn off or turn on this developer options. So since it's already turned on, so all you have to do is to turn off this developer options. And important reminders guys about the settings. It's recommended to be cautious when modifying settings and to only adjust options that you understand. So don't do modifying the settings if you don't know, because this is the very critical settings on our mobile phone. Alright, so if you want to turn off this developer options, on our right side, and then you can see this button, and then we need to toggle off. Okay, so you can see now the developer option is already turned off, and then we need to go back. And you can see now that developer options is already hide on our mobile settings. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide on mobile device settings, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest mobile guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.